Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with some online purchases that I made here on YouTube, and this was from Jellybean and Donna Dreams Times 3. I will link both ladies down in the description below. Also, I wanted to come along with my pocket letters from Miss Joanne the Happy Mail Stamper that I've received. And let me go ahead and go with the purchases first. So they have a weekly sale online here on YouTube, and they sell their stuff really inexpensive. And so I got these, and I got two of those. I actually had to email Jellybean and ask her if I could purchase those last minute. And then I got this right here, so this is what they look like, and this as well. So aren't these cute, you guys? Oh my goodness. So some of the stuff, it's hard to get, and so nice to grab while you can, especially when they're having it on sale, because a spool of this is pretty expensive. So that's what I got. And then I got this, and then I actually got a little happy thank you mail from Miss Jellybean. Wishes, thank you, Miss Jellybean. I think it's going to be Donna's, because they do take turns every week, so I think it's going to be Donna's turn to sell this week. So here's the other one. This is so cute. Look at this, you guys. Sorry, I'm a little off on my camera. I'm recording on my tablet today because I had my phone on my hands and I don't know what I did with them. So this is what I got. Look at this one. There you go. So that's what I got, and this is just a thank you just because, and these are just extra stuff that she sent me, and this is basically, you could use this for journaling books, for your embellishment. She sent me some sticky notes, and I think that's it. And then a piece of not chalkboard, but chipboard, and then just this little antique. I want to say antique because these are so, like, I don't want to say old, but these are from back then. And anyways, and then a pocket letter, and then she did send me two candies in here, but I already, as soon as I opened the package, I had to have one. And then she sent me this right here, and some tea. This is cute. This is a tag. This is so cute. You can actually copy this and do several. And then she sent me this and this. These are nice. I like these. And that is about it. So anyways, this is from Jellybean, and as I said, I will link both ladies down in the description below, so you guys can go over, check them out, and show them some love and support, and hopefully do some purchases. So here is one of the pocket letters from Joanne, and here's the other one. I didn't get it to open it, so let's go ahead and open this and see what I got. And oh my goodness, I need a better opener. I had one and I don't know what happened. So let me use my poke tool. Oh, this worked pretty good. This is a poke tool that Anna Stratus sent me. Whoa, and oh my goodness. I forgot her YouTube name. She changed it. So this was the mini pocket letter swap and raffle. So this is one of the pocket letters, and this one is from Cruising with Crystal, and basically we had to make a mini envelope and decorate the front, and how cute. And then she put a dangle in here. Oh, how cute. This is so cute. Look at, and you guys, Crystal is actually having a birthday challenge, so go over to her channel, show her some love and support, So I'll link her down on the description as well. This is a cute bunny. How cute. And she used a sticker right here. She added some little stickers up here with some let's see, sorry you guys, I'm trying to get used to this one. Let me see, a sticker with some little felt kind of stickers up here with some leaf trim up here and a doily in the back, and then she just didn't do much on it here, but made it really simple, which is perfect. And she used a little bit of trim right here, and then I think it looks like some washi tape on the bottom. And then here she went ahead and did die cut the piece of embellishment, or cut apart right here, and then she just went ahead and cut it and taped it behind, like to puffed it up, put a little flower with the eyelash, not the eyelash, the trim back here, and some hello and love stickers right there. And then the little oh my gosh, diamond, oh my gosh, sorry you guys, diamond stickers, I can't, oh my goodness, sorry you guys, I just woke up, can you tell? So, and yeah, my light is, sorry you guys, I'm really out of focus today. So then she put some buttons here, some pieces of sequins, a T, which was one of the requirements, and a little sticker right there, a bunny sticker. How cute! This is so cute. Thank you, Crystal. And thank you, Joanne. And this one comes from, oh, this is so cute. This one comes from, oh my gosh, might be in this little book. So let me see if it's in the little book. So let me see. Letha J. And on Instagram, she is IG Bree Mom 842. So I'll link her down on the description below. And then so she put some diamond stickers in the back, some chai tea, my favorite, and some sequins there. And then on here she put a little tassel. I believe that was one of her requirements. And then she went ahead and put, I don't know what collection this is, but it is a cute collection. I like it. And so she put a cut apart right there with the little sticker in the middle, and then she put either it's a sticker or cut apart right here, and then flower right here. This is a cute flower. I like that flower. I don't know if she made it. It looks like she might have made it. And then she put a sticker right here with the little blue diamond, and then she put those diamonds up here with a piece of trim on the top and diamonds on the bottom. Love how, you know, this actually color combination doesn't look bad. It looks really nice. And then, oh, I haven't not seen these cameras. So she put a camera here, and then she put the piece of paper right here, and then a tag with the little bow, and that is so cute. So you guys, look at you guys, these are so cute. So this one's from Kristen with Crystal, and this one's from, oh my gosh, I will, this Bree Mom, there you go, Letha. Okay, anyways, thank you everybody, excuse my confusion. Yeah, anyways, thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.